This king sweet too. See, I'm just shining on my body. Oh, my queen.
They say you sent for me.
Yeah, I sent for you. You want to see that the day I've become this king. The day I've become this king is just going smoothly.
Hey, yes, oh my king. Hey, can't you see?
I can see you.
Can't you see?
I can see.
Ah, for my king. Don't forget, oh.
Forgot what?
Chief now.
The chiefs.
Olóyè Ọ̀tún.
Oh, Olóyè Ọ̀tún.
Because Yoruba people say ẹni tá bá ṣe lóore tí ò bá dúpẹ́ bí ọlọ́ṣà kò ní lẹ́rù lọ ní o.
Oh, my queen, I can understand you, but my queen, I want to send you a message. Go and call me the guard.
Okay.
The guard, go quickly. My fine queen, Queen Orente. My greatest king in town. Chibuzo. I'm on my knees. My greatest king. My great man. Chibuzo, not spy me. Chibuzo, not spy me. The king, one of the best man in the town. Now, I don't say all these your things don't become down, okay? Chibuzo, not spy me. Chibuzo, not spy me. My Stop that, don't spy me. The chief Olóyè Ọ̀tún. Yeah, that fat man. That man was stingy like tomorrow no day. Yes. Stop that. If no because of him, form bunny. Stop that. I should go and call him. Stop that! Go and call the chief.
Kábíyèsí o, my one the king, I love you.
Chief Olóyè.
Hey, my king, they say you are calling me. That is why I call your palace.
Yes, my chief, I'm calling you. So, what about the thing that you tell me that you want to tell me? What's the problem, concept? I want to know.
Yes. Hey, you know, say I tell you for that day. Say one girl. He say he won't build company for our village.
Okay, that Oyinbo. Yes, what you talk about? That Oyinbo, that white man.
Yes.
I remember.
Man, no. Now fine girl like this.
Fine girl. Okay,
yes.
Now woman.
Yes.
Oh,
they say he won't build a company for our village.
He won't build a company for our village?
Yes.
For our village?
Yes. Hey, and the thing happened that, Kábíyèsí, I never collect any money for your hand.
That is the reason why I thought. That is the reason why I said that the time of me, King of Adedun, is very sweet.
Because he never give me a command to say make I collect money for anybody hand.
That is the reason why I like you. That is the reason why I like you.
And my Kábíyèsí, if you don't mind, I want make he command me. Let me go cut all those the sheep.
Oh yeah. You know what you do for me? Just go to the remaining sheep. Okay. You call them. Okay. Come with the person that want to build the company inside our village. Yes. We will call everybody.
My king, I deal with you.
You deal with my no now.
Say this position you dey. Me sef I dey happy because everything if I want for your hand, you dey prepare for me.
That is the reason why I like you. That is the reason why I like you. No wahala. Go and do what I said. Yeah, go and do what I said.
Very, very soon.
That is the reason why I like you. Chief Olóyè. This guy go chop all my money. Foolish guy.
The right hand of the king Adifala. I no wait for this places since morning. Why you do that one for me now? Ọ̀tún. You no go vex. You know say all this spiritual na I dey follow talk. Na your own I dey do. Now you know say this town. Na all of us dey control am. Yes.
So if e good for you and e good for king, e go good for me as well.
But the thing I say make you do am for me, shey you don ready? The thing I tell you for that day say make you do something for me, the one I go dey command everybody for the palace. Shey you don do that thing for me?
Otun, say the time wey you tell me say that late king,
yes,
say you wan finish am, say I no do am for you.
Yes, you do am. I remember. You do it. But this time, I want something. The one if I dey command for the palace, everybody go dey follow me.
Otun. You no hear what Yoruba say?
Wetin you talk?
Dem say Odele Koko Bori. Ebo no di waba.
I dey hear that one for my grandma.
I know the thing wey you need. You need command tune.
Yes.
Wey be say if you just say anything for palace,
Yes.
make that follow.
And you are promising me say you go do it. I go collect am today.
See, the work very easy. Very easy.
I trust you. I trust you.
You know you say àwọn ìyá àgbà kan la kala gogo da ta paju adedodo fatu do kala ta o je tumo bi. They dey with us here.
They dey with us.
Oh my mother pakan la ke.
Where you dey?
You no be see them. But let me tell you, only thing wey you go need.
I go see am. I go see am. See the thing he ask me. I have Kabiyesi na. Kabiyesi dey with me. In fact, if I tell Kabiyesi say make he cut him olori head, make he give me, he must give me.
I no be only you na.
But this time, I want something. If I dey command for the palace, everybody go dey follow my protocol.
No worry. See, if you get this thing,
Yes.
if you wan say make God come from heaven,
Yes.
make it come down. Make it come down. Okay. If you no gree, let me command the rain, make it fall on us.
No. Let me go house baby. Let me go.
You know say
Adibala. See, now my body don calm down. Everything don calm down.
Put your mind at rest. Don't come to me ara Odua. Mi ara Jibuta ba ogo sabi uja gogo mo ni ko so yara kata ye oni mo ti mege sa so de ola giri kaka. Èmi la dan láyé na be lọ́dọ̀ ba mi ko so. Wo pa ku. Àìkú rẹ̀ kí ló ń gbáyé ṣe ká tó pọ́ lójú kú àwọn ìyá mi lọ́pàá ọ̀gbọ́n ni wọ́n ní obi lóbi jẹ́ mo ti sún lónìí ọ̀tún no let me go.
No wahala.
If I talk too much all my mama dem go vex.
No wahala. Which time I go collect?
If you don ready the thing wey I tell you now.
No wahala. You go see am this evening.
If you no see me for here,
yes,
you go see me for where I wan go do.
No worry, I will send one of my boy make he come and give you. No worry.
Na secret. No worry. Ọ̀dàgàjìgì
Adibala.
apákọ̀ tó ọba ọmẹsẹ̀ ọ̀dàgìrì ọ̀dàgìrì tí lọ́bọ̀lá ìgbà ṣe kẹ́ndú ọ̀dún òsì àṣẹ òsì ọ̀dún òsì ọmọ òrásẹ̀ pa ọ̀kadì yọ̀yọ̀ it go better for you.
Amen. I no go punish you. Sorry. It go better for you too.
No cause me o.
No.
You see they go.
Thank you.
No they go.
Thank you.
Ọdún yọ̀yọ̀.
Thank you. This palace now. We dey command everybody. Command.
Very careful. All this.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Let me just tell you something. That's exactly where you are going. Although chief and king, everybody is there.
Okay.
Amo, I want to tell you something. We have been the one that's been directing you since. So when you are coming back, find something poporo in your hand and give us.
Yes.
So we too we appreciate.
Especially me. I fact.
You know what? I understand you guys. Don't worry about that. I'm going to say to you guys, okay, I'm a good person. Don't worry about that.
Thank you. Just pass here. You will see all the chiefs and everybody.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, thank you.
Ìyà tí wọ́n jẹ́ àtẹ̀yìn lọ dáa báyìí. Gbọ́ ìwọ ó dàbí pé nǹkan ṣe pẹ̀lú bó ṣe tó fàkíàfàkíà bí ẹrù olè yìí. Ìwọ ò ní ìdí nǹkan kan tó bá tàbí mú nǹkan wá fún aṣágbà kámú tí ẹ.
Ìlàjùmọ̀ sí kí ni.
Ìwọ ní ìdí nǹkan ọ̀dà
gbé mi padà fi ìbọn tú gbogbo fùrọ̀ ẹ̀ dànù wọ́kàn.
ilẹ̀ lajúmọ́ lórí. kábíyèsí o kábíyèsí. Our king, the lady I dey talk about for you say he wan do many things for our village. Na it be this o.
Okay, na the woman be this. Oyinbo pepper.
The lady be this. Chief, if you want to ask him anything, you can ask her. My prison, your highness. You know say na before you are my enemies, and now you better person. And me I no think say this osun get sense like this o. If you carry better thing come this palace, you be better person. God go punish you. Shey na me be no be better person for you. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, you know yourself now. You go say something.
Thank you. My king, I salute you. I salute other chief.
Welcome.
Oyinbo, na welcome. I don't have much question to ask you. My own question is, you said you want to build company in our village here.
Yes, he want to build.
Where exactly did you want? Both notes and cranny of this village belong to the king, and we here sitting down, we are the villagers. Every one of us here, anything we talk here, that is for the villagers. So tell us, where exactly did you want? How many acres of land did you want us to give you? The king will say, he's ready to give you.
Let me still tell you something. See our king wey you dey see, make I no lie you. Our king na better person o. Better person. Our king is a better person, especially to me, is better person.
My king, your highness, my king. The reason why I'm here is that I'm here to establish a company, and not even a company. I'm here to establish a school too, and you are all going to benefit from it. So, my queen, I just need your approval.
Kí ni slim gbọ́n kankan?
Kábíyèsí, ohun tó ń gbìyànjú láti sọ. Kábíyèsí, the thing dey explain for us is say he ready anything Kábíyèsí want for our village, he ready to provide.
Okay, Oyinbo pepper.
You get one music wey I wan sing for all of una. Make we dance for 1 minute. Yorùbá say èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí, èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí, bá a ṣe fẹ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la Kábíyèsí wan say something jare.
Chief olóyè ọ̀tún.
Hey, my king.
My chief.
My king.
My chief.
My king.
For me.
Hey, chief, ẹ má gbàgbé o, mi ò tí ì gbowó kankan lọ́wọ́ rẹ.
Lóòótọ́.
That is the reason why I like you. That is the reason why I like you.
What? You say what?
Yeah, I dey explain for them say our king is the better person.
Yes, I'm the better person.
Yeah.
Why are you lying? Oh, take back in a minister.
Yeah.
Hey, abẹ́ máa rọ́mọkùnrin dákú bí egbé sọ̀dàrà yìí. Ó ṣe bí ìgbọ́ ohun tí ì sọ ni.
So gbọ́ Yorùbá ni.
Ní ìgbọ́ Yorùbá, èmi ní sọ ní mo tó gbowó kábìtìkàbìtì lọ́wọ́ mi.
Ọ̀daràn.
Olóyè. Tí ìbá tẹ̀ gbọ́n kankan, mo gbọ́.
The thing happen. Ìbò mi láṣìírí.
Wọ́n láti ríbi tí bó o.
Nísùúrù jẹ́ nípa Kábíyèsí sọ pé kò tí fún mi lówó kankan.
Ìwọ àti ta ni? Oníjìbìtì.
Kábíyèsí sẹ́rí lóòótọ́ ni na truth o. I collect money for your hand but the money no plenty o.
Èló ló gbà?
Just 5,000 naira.
What? Why are you lying? You are a calling person. You are really a calling man. I gave him 500,000 naira.
500,000 for my life. I never did 20,000 before 500,000. You know what better for you.
Olóyè.
My king.
Olóyè ọ̀tún.
My king, the thing happen that níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró yìí màá jẹ́wọ́ Kábíyèsí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi láṣẹ.
Olóyè, o bojú mi jẹ́. O bojú mi jẹ́, o ti bojú mi, o ti fuck up.
Ọ̀tún n tó ṣe iná pọ̀ Ọ̀tún mo sì gba tìrẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ o àmọ́ n tó ṣe yìí Ọ̀tún ògbójú mi jẹ́ pọ̀.
Olórí na true but you know say me sef I no be no be na the thing happen be that no vex help me talk to Kabiyesi.
My king, abeg I salute you. You know this man wey dey here this or 2 years na bad person from day one. During the time of the past king, there is one woman that come here that said she wan build school for this our people.
Na true.
Na how he collect money from that woman. That one go, she never build anything. This one again, you don collect another money.
Otu, you are liar. You are liar. You are liar. That time I don set that Kabiyesi that time. Wetin dey worry you?
Hey! Oloye, this is my judgment. I give you just 2 hours. Just 2 hours to return the money. Unless I will rusticate you.
Àṣẹ.
I'm going, shut up. I'm going to rusticate you.
Kabiyesi ẹ bò mí láṣìírí ẹ mọ̀ pé mi àti.
Kí n bọ̀ ẹ́ láṣìírí ilé bọ̀ ẹ́ láṣìírí òyìnbó ṣe bó gbọ́ Yorùbá ó sì gbọ́ Yorùbá jáde òyìnbó tó bá rí gbogbo wa táwọn àbí báyìí wàá rí pé gbogbo àtàwọn àbí báyìí kò sẹ́ni tó yọkùn wọ́n wèrè wọ́n ìwé kan ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó mú gbà fi tó olórí burúkú ó ti kówó jẹ
Kabiyesi
ó ti kówó olú jẹ
na breast of God.
this is my judgment mi nìyẹn kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tẹ́ máa bá mi sọ.
Ọ̀tún tí orójú mi kan tó ń wò yìí ó rorò ó pàkejì jẹ bí kíkà kì í papọ̀ bó o bá múnú bí mi tí n bá ju àwọn òkàdó o.
Hey! As I said before, this is my judgment. Oloye, Chief Prince, I give you just 2 hours. Just 2 hours to return the money. Unless I will rusticate you.
Me I talk am. I know say you go fuck up. Na you carry person come palace say you wan do better thing for us. Me I know say you be olórí burúkú from day one. Eke kì í ṣẹjọ́ yín o. Èmi mẹni tí ó jìyà. I know the person go suffer for the thing matter. Who go suffer? I know the person go suffer. Who go suffer? Me I no go suffer.
Olórí bú ni ọ́ o ti fuck up ayé èrè òsì ní turn up kò sí wa plenty enemies sí ti ń yọ o wọ́n sì gbà ọ́ wọ́n pa ọjọ́ jẹ.
Bí ẹ bá ṣe pé lè jẹ́ ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú Òde tó ń sọ ẹ̀tọ́ bó bá ṣe lù amáyé lélẹ́yìn olórí bú. Get out because I get mouth pass you. That is why you are jealousy. Me and Kabiyesi na 5 and 6. That is why they dey jealous me. Ìwọ kì í ṣe èèyàn o. Ṣé kò yẹ kó bọ̀ mí láṣìírí nígbà tó o gbọ́ Yorùbá tó o ṣe ṣàmùrín.
I should cover you. What are you saying? Now I know that you are really a corny person. You are a big liar.
You are telling me that you don't hear anything na. Why you na? Ṣé palace let wa láì lójú tó gbọ́ Yorùbá ni? Àbí irú èèyàn wo lélẹ̀? Ṣé owó tí mo gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ? Ṣé mi ní gbowó ni? Ṣé òun ọ̀rọ̀fẹ́ ni? Kò sọ́fẹ́.
Why don't you tell the king the truth? Why you lying to king? Why don't you tell the truth?
You no know say if I no collect money for your hand, I go bring you come for palace. Eh? Nothing na ordinary person.
You are a corny
person. If you come
person.
picking out, you must buy papa.
Excuse me, useless man.
Adibola, ewé kankan ò ní jẹ́. Ewé kankan ò ní jẹ́. What is wrong with you? I tell you say make you do ogun tango for me. Make I go palace, make I talk for anybody. If the thing I talk, anybody go hear am. I go palace, I dey talk, everybody hear the thing I dey talk. They don't follow my command. Which kind of ogun olórí burúkú you have? Bàbọ̀dé bá fojú di mí, máa tábì ká pẹ́pẹ́, bá fojú di mí, máa jẹ́ bí ìgbà tí kòkó jẹ gbẹran. Ọdún, ńlá mi rẹ. I just give you respect. If not, I go give you otowoto. Ọdún dey worry you. Anything you want, I give you. Ọdún, ṣé ìlú ìtì wà fún mi? Egun tó wọ́n ná mi. Ajọ́ kí ló dùn rẹ̀ ni? I don't know. Ọdún, but wetin happen? You say the thing wey I do for you, e no work. Me? E no work. Ogun tó bá sà tí ọba jẹ́wé rẹ̀ yóò pé àmọ́ ọdún no be yesterday I dey do you something na I dey give you the way be say you sef dey confirm. How you come say the thing no work? Say you no use am as I say make you use am ni. I tell you I use am na. Shebi I tell you say the person make make her give me something, anything I talk, make it succeed. The woman, na English dey speak. I reach palace, olóòdùkú ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ Yorùbá. Jàgbáfá, akèrègbè fọ́kànjẹ́ tó, àwọn fọ́kànjẹ́ jà. Ìgbà yọ̀gàn fọ́, okùn bàbá ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó. You do what? You don't start it to Yoruba, you are the useless person. You are the useless person. You don't sabi anything. You be useless. Ọjọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá pẹ́ lọ́jọ́ lórí omi mo kọ́ kéré ẹ̀ wá. Eru wèrè wo ni mo ń kó wa? Mo bí ọ́, mo ní sẹ́ èbó lẹ́nì. Àbí ọmọ abínibí tí ń ṣe Yorùbá. You say it's Oyinbo. Abi did I not see you? They speak English. I think say na Oyinbo person. No, you spoil the juju now. You are the one that spoil juju. Why? Okay, medicine wey I do. You do what I do for you, say make you work for Oyinbo. When you go use am for Yoruba, say you go work me. Me, I no know say na Yoruba na, but if I say make you give me the thing I fit talk, even na Yoruba, even na anything, he must work na. No, he must work. It's okay. No be how you tell me. How you tell you? How you tell you? You will tell me say okay, make you say the person wey you wan deal with it. Make it be say na Oyinbo. Say if that Oyinbo don enter, say all the thing wey you talk for palace. Make me hear am. But the Oyinbo wey you first use this thing for, wey you no know say na Yoruba, na him spoil the work. Yes, na. You don't. No worry. How can I see the thing I give you back? Let me tell you. How much you give me? You give me 2,500 naira for medicine. What did you do? It be like say don't forget you. Let me tell you. How go see it? The solution. Now you know no solution. There's solution. I dash you. There's solution. I go do something for you. The thing happen to me. Kabiyesi no pursue me say make I go buy, make I comot for palace everywhere. I go tell Kabiyesi say na you give me something. If dem give you cut, you go see they go cut your head. Ọ̀tún don come don àtiwọ́ ọ̀tọ́ba. Iná joyin lè dé bá pé kí ló joyin. Tẹ́ mo bá bínú máa bínú tẹ̀yẹ́tẹ̀yẹ́, tẹ́ mo bá bínú máa bínú tọkàntọkàn, tẹ́ mo bá bínú máa bínú tanutanu. Èmi lò gbólógbó ajá tí bínú ti fẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn kékeré. Èmi lò gbólógbó ẹ̀kú tí a gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́rọ̀ kàsẹ̀. Èmi ní ẹrù gbólógbó. Ọ̀tún wọ́n fi fọ́ létí. Wọ́n bèrè jẹ fún mi.
Ìyálóde, na you are come meet me. Help me go palace go and beg Kabiyesi make he forgive me. The thing happen no be my fault.
Ọ̀túnba, let me tell you the truth o. What you do is not good o. Ká sòótọ́, ntòsí ò dáa. Ntòsí ò dáa o. You fought o.
Asao.
You are a liar. You lie to Kabiyesi. You don't supposed to do like that to Kabiyesi.
Hey, this no be my fault. You know say Yoruba say ibi tá ti ṣe la ti jẹ.
It's your fault o. You know Kabiyesi love you.
Me sef I love Kabiyesi.
We love with you all the time. You are Kabiyesi. You are 5 and 6. You don't supposed to do that to Kabiyesi.
Shey na that lover go chop with me. This lady, I don't know say e hear Yoruba. I reach palace. Na him he talk say.
Ọ̀túnba, let me tell you. You supposed to go and apologize to Kabiyesi o.
Me?
Yes.
Hey, but daddy,
I must tell you the truth o. Àmì abiyamọ àgbàlagbà kí n wà lọ́jà kórè ọmọ tuntun wọ́.
But this time.
That is the reason why I must tell you the truth. You have to go and apologize to Kabiyesi.
The thing you sef dey talk about it that na me do mistake.
Na you do mistake.
Na me do mistake.
I must tell you the truth.
Shebi na me bring that lady come for her village. If anything happen to me.
Notwithstanding, it's to the whole community.
Kabiyesi must forgive me now.
I know, but Kabiyesi, you know Kabiyesi particularly is with you all the time. Nothing you ask from Kabiyesi that is not giving you.
Yoruba say ìgbàṣòro là mọ̀ lẹ̀. Kabiyesi, you no know me. Ìgbàṣòro là mọ̀ rẹ̀. Kabiyesi, the thing you do is no good. If he want to complain say the thing I do e don work, no be our.
Ọ̀túnba, you first agree that you are fault. Before me, I will intervene o. If you no agree that you are fault, I will not intervene.
Anyone, anything you are saying.
Okay.
Anything you are saying.
As you agree now.
Help me better.
Okay. You know what to do.
Ìyálóde, ibi tá a bọ̀rọ̀ dé yìí, kò sí àníyàn. I want make you go palace to help me beg am. Because where I go see 500,000. Where I go see 500,000. Kabiyesi won't kill me with that now. If I sell all those cocoa I have, you know this 5,000.
Agree that you are fault. I will know how to tell Kabiyesi. tó bá kọ̀ lókè tó kọ̀ nílẹ̀ ó níbi tá a máa ń gbélé. I will see Kabiyesi by myself.
Thank you.
You going?
Thank you.
I will see Kabiyesi.
Make I go.
But I will tell you, don't do that again, yo. Don't do that again. I'm telling you. Well, I will do my own part. I will go and see Kabiyesi.
Àfojú sí yòó ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ìgbà tí bá ní kan gbé bọ̀ jáde sí ìkó.
Ìbọn fẹ́ pariwo ìkàlẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe pariwo. Àwọn ọmọ pé bọ̀ wáyé ló jáwé ló ń ta ẹni wọ́n lè jáwé fún. Àwọn ọmọ tó ti pé Buhari jábọ̀ àjọ dá ìtàn.
Bọ̀wálé àfarawé ò ṣeé ṣe, àfarawé ò ṣeé ṣe. Bọ̀wálé tán rán nílé ìwé tó ń rìn rẹ̀gbẹ̀rẹ̀gbẹ̀ kiri. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa lẹ́yìn o, sinimá yẹrẹ o. Bọ̀wálé làkọlé rẹ̀ bó ti jáde wá lórí YouTube. Ìgbìyànjú TV ilẹ̀ ó ti rí wo, àwò tún wò ní o.
Bọ̀wálé o. Ẹni àwí fún ọba tí ó gbọ́, ẹni àsọ̀rọ̀ fún ọba tí ó gbà wí ìgbà àfọ̀gbà fi gbà já àjọbó mi mú lágbàdá. Bọ̀wálé. Wọ́n ní ọmọ ṣàfarawé kó má dàbí ẹnìkan kò gbọ́ o. Bọ̀wálé ti ń ṣàfarawé wọn lagi mọ́ lórí. Ló bá gbé kuru jẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ bọ́ra. Ẹgbọ́n ta ló pa Bọ̀wálé o. Ẹ wá ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú sinimá ńlá yìí Bọ̀wálé. Wọ́n sì Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá ló ṣe ọmọ ilé ìwé. Ẹ wá wo báwọn ọmọ ìṣe ń da skúùrù. Aago tó wù wọ́n ni wọ́n ń délé ìwé o. Wọ́n ti wọ ẹni tó pa Bọ̀wálé báyìí. Kò láìpẹ́ kan jẹ́ tiẹ̀. Sinimá tuntun Bọ̀wálé. Another 100% comedy extravaganza. Action packed movie ni. Ẹ̀rín àríntàkìtì ní tẹ́ bá wo kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀. Bọ̀wálé. A movie written, produced and directed by Igbiyanju. Starring Don Richard. Bọ́sẹ̀ Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá. Asui Lazarus Igbiyanju. Rúbẹ̀mídé. Adédoyin Elizabeth. Ime Victoria Adénẹ́yẹ. Balógun Adéwálé. Ayọ̀mídé. Ọlás Kitchen. Yadabira. Ancestor Yusuf. Big 8. Leo. Àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Nínú sinimá tuntun ìta àpàkọ́lé ẹ̀ ní Bọ̀wálé. Subtitled in English. Ó ti jáde wà lórí YouTube báyìí. Ẹ click sórí Ìgbìyànjú TV kẹ́rin wò.
Ó dégun ẹja, ó dégun ẹja, Bọ̀wálé dégun ẹja. Kìnnà nà sí nà nà kìnnà. Ẹ yàgò.